If you're wondering how you can change the email address which is linked to your Samsung account, so in this video I will show you the exact process on how to do that. First of all, just go to your home screen and open the web browser app on your Samsung phone. Then in the search bar, just search this. Then open this website. Now as you can see, I am already signed into my Samsung account. If you have not signed into your Samsung account, a button will appear on the screen which says Sign In. Just tap on it and sign into your Samsung account. After you sign in, just go to Profile and tap on Manage Samsung Account. From here, just tap on Email ID. Now as you can see, this is my current email ID which is linked to my Samsung account. Now in this section, just enter your new email ID. After you enter your new email ID, then tap on Change at the bottom of the screen. Now you will receive a verification code on this email ID. After you receive the verification code through an email, just enter it in this section. After you enter the verification code, then select Verify. Now after you have verified your email address, you will receive another OTP code in the new email address which you have entered earlier. Now after you receive the verification code on your new email ID, just enter it in this section. Then tap on Verify. As you can see, the email ID of our Samsung account has been changed. Now just tap on Done. And as you can see, this is how you can change your email account which is linked to your Samsung account. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.